We have these two chairs. They were built to go underneath a bar height countertop, but they're being used on a kitchen countertop height countertop, and they're just a little bit too tall. So what we're going to do is we're going to shorten them about 3.5 inches and show you how it's done. Since we're taking 3.5 inches off, what we're going to do, put it on a flat surface, take something that's the same height you want. Make sure you're flat and scribe. Higher, lower, right there. Alright, what do you need? Down here. Bandsaw, and we're close, but we know what it needs to be sitting on a floor level. So I'm going to pull out a belt sander and we'll grind it back to the lines. I've got lines on 3 sides, just the way that it curved. I couldn't get the last one on. We'll get these belted and ready to go. Yep. All right, so we cut 3.5 inches off the bottom, and we tested them on this concrete, and they're sitting really, really flat. So we just need to put some glides on them, and they should be good to go back on the hardwood floor where they came from.